In this video, I'll show you exactly how to file a 1099 NEC with Xero, a powerful accounting tool that's not only easy to use, but also provides robust features for small businesses. Whether you're new to Xero or just need some quick guidance on filing the 1099 NEC, stick around to the end because I'm going to share an exclusive extended free trial for Xero that you won't want to miss. First off, let's talk about what the 1099 NEC is. If you're working with contractors or freelancers, you'll need to file this form to report payments made to them for services provided. Xero makes it incredibly easy to do this, but you need to have your records organized first. So before we dive into the filing process, make sure that you've set up your contractors in Xero under the Contacts tab. Once that's done, head over to the Accounting section on your Xero dashboard. From there, click on Reports and look for the option that says 1099 NEC. This is the form you'll need to submit to the IRS, and Xero generates it based on your payment data. Now Xero automatically pulls your transactions for contractors, so all you need to do is verify the information, ensuring it matches what's been paid. This includes checking that the amounts are correct and that the 1099 form reflects the right payment categories for each contractor. Xero will show a list of eligible contractors, and if there are any discrepancies, it will flag them for you to fix before filing. Once the information is verified, you can go ahead and export the 1099 NEC form directly from Xero in PDF or electronic file format. You'll want to double check the file for accuracy one more time before submitting it to the IRS. It's also a good idea to keep a copy for your records. And that's it. Xero does all the heavy lifting for you when it comes to filing the 1099 NEC, saving you time and minimizing errors. One of the best parts about using Xero for this is that it keeps track of all your payments, making year-end tax filing a breeze. You can rest easy knowing everything is streamlined and compliant with IRS regulations. And don't forget, Xero integrates with a variety of other tools, giving you even more flexibility as your business grows. Now, if you're new to Xero or haven't yet signed up, make sure to click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to a full range of accounting tools, but I've secured an exclusive extended free trial for you, so you can explore everything Xero has to offer with no commitment. Don't miss out. Xero is the perfect tool to manage your business finances and make tax season so much easier. Make sure to hit that link below for your free trial, and if you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your 1099 NEC filing.